Here we are at the Pukekohe Showgrounds for the Auckland Regional Excavator Operator Competition to try and find Auckland's best digger operator. They will go down to represent us down at the Nationals in Palmerston North in March, so we look forward to the next 2 days worth of competition.
I'm Dennis Ibobo. I'm from Heb Construction.
My best challenge was to open the bear barrel, and so difficult, but I managed to do it. So I like it.
I found it very challenging, but definitely a very good experience. I really enjoyed the tyre Christmas tree obstacle because the fine motor skills is definitely something that I'm trying to develop as an operator, and I haven't seen it here at the REOC before. I'd absolutely love to do this again, see how far I can come in a year's time.